Amendment is adopted. Amendment number 9 has been withdrawn. Number 10, offered by the same gentleman from the Cape and the Islands, Mr. Sear, the title of which the clerk will read.
Amendment number 10 by Mr. Sear, excise tax relief.
Gentleman from the Cape and the Islands, Mr. Sear.
Thank you, Madam President, and through you to the members. Madam President, I rise in support of Amendment number 10, relative to motor vehicle excise tax. Last session, the General Court passed and Governor Baker signed the Valor Act 2, which was led by this chamber, again from my colleague from West Roxbury. And in that bill, there was a terrific proposal that was included to allow active duty military who are in service in another state or stationed at a domestic military base outside of Massachusetts to be exempt from paying motor vehicle excise taxes on their primary motor vehicle if they are stationed outside of Massachusetts for at least 180 days of that calendar year. I have heard about the issue actually first in 2016 while I was campaigning from a constituent named Russ who lives in Yarmouth. Russ has 2 daughters who are active duty military and both own motor vehicles registered in Massachusetts, yet both are stationed at military bases in Texas. This exemption allows them to save a little money by not having to pay the annual motor vehicle excise tax. And so the amendment that I have filed here is simple, is it just expands this exemption to also include reserve members who serve at least 180 days out of Massachusetts in the calendar year, so that a reserve member who is called upon to serve in an area impacted by natural disaster or hurricane or any type of military deployment, they too can get tax relief for that year, that period of time in which they're serving. I hope the amendment is adopted. Thank you, Madam President.
Question comes on adoption of the amendment. All those in favor say aye. Opposed?